In India, over 2,000 buildings suffer lightning damage every year. This can be prevented using ESE lightning arrestor. What is an ESE lightning arrestor? A device designed to safely divert lightning strikes to the ground, preventing structural and electrical damage. Why use ESE lightning arrestor? Fast response to lightning, high durability and corrosion resistance, low maintenance, long-lasting protection. Areas of application: industrial plants, commercial complexes, residential buildings. Protect your assets with Elcon.